Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota Highlander maintenance light. First, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Make sure your odometer is displayed on the dashboard. Once confirmed, turn the ignition completely off. This prepares your vehicle for the next steps in the reset process. Now, press and hold the trip meter reset button. While still holding it, turn the ignition back to the on position. Keep holding the button down. You will see a series of dashes appear on the display, indicating the reset process is underway. This usually takes a few seconds to complete. Once the dashes disappear and the display shows zeros, you can release the trip meter button. The maintenance required light should now be off, confirming a successful reset. To be absolutely sure, start your engine and check the dashboard. If the light remains off, you've done it correctly and are good to go. Remember, resetting the light doesn't replace actual maintenance. Always perform regular oil changes to keep your Highlander running smoothly. For any specific model variations or additional details, always consult your vehicle's owner's manual. And hey, if you're looking to make your own meal prep easier, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.